next topic is drop cap. Sometimes we need to improve the look of the text in our document. We need to improve the look of the text in our. Now, Maya wants to make the first letter of every paragraph in an essay larger than the rest. She wants to make the first letter of every paragraph in an essay larger than the rest. What should she do? If she starts selecting first letter every paragraph and goes to the font group, increases its size, it could be very tangled. MS Word has a special feature called drop cap that helps us to do this. To apply drop cap, we can follow these simple steps. Number 1, select the first word of MS Word document that you have typed. Now first, select the first word of the MS Word that you have typed. I'll select the first word here. So select the first word of MS Word that you have typed. Now go to Insert tab. Now you go to Insert tab here. Go to Insert tab. Now from the text group, select drop cap. Now from here drop cap is here. Select drop cap. Click on the drop cap arrow. Click on the drop cap area. Yeah. And select the drop option. You select the drop option here. There. If I select this will become change it here. This one you will here. Drop cap. You can insert, use any of this drop cap. If I choose this, it will be here. This will be here. You can use the drop cap and make the first make the first letter paragraph look bigger. So this is how you use the drop cap. Some more file functions. Closing a document. Number 1, to close a document, you can simply click on the cross in the right hand corner of the title bar. You can simply click on the cross here on the right hand corner of the title bar. The red cross, you can just click, and this red cross you can click and close the document. You can also click on the file tab. You can click on the file tab here. File tab, you click here, and what you can do, you can click on close. This way the document gets closed. When you close the MS Word prompts you to save the change in the document. Saving a document. To save a document, select the save as or save option. To save the, you either click save or save as option. You click on save or save as option. Now from the file tab, you can also use the save tool from the quick access toolbar. You can also use the save tool from the quick access toolbar. Steps to save a document from a file tab are given here. Number 1, to save a work for the first time, choose save or save as. Now save or save as. Okay, save. Now when you save is ready. No, you save a work of file, save or the save as option. Give the file name under the file one. Now you press save and you give the file, you write the name of the file there. File name is formatting. 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 I have written formatting. Now choose the location where you want to save the file. Click on the drop down and select the path. So choose the, I'll save as Word document. I have already saved in there. Then this will choose the folder in which you want to save the. Double click the folder you want to open. Now choose the folder in which you want to save the work. So I have already clicked the work document is here. Then click on save. Now click on save. You click on where you click on save to save your work. Clicking on cancel will close the save as dialog box without save. If you cancel, you know, if save here, now this document is placed and it's closed. So This way you can save a document. Now in MS Word, to the document are saved in OneDrive by default, assuming that the user is online and signed with in their account. OneDrive is a data storage space from Microsoft or for Windows. When you are signed in OneDrive, MS Word remembers where you last saved your document. Open a copy option. How will open a copy option? MS Word 13. Now first I'll open MS Word here. Now open a copy option. In MS Word 2013, a shortcut menu option open a copy is present in the recent document menu, which works in the same way as a new from existing option in the earlier versions of MS Word. This menu option lets the user create the open a copy from the original document to work on. Now next we come to printing a document. Now we'll open a file. Here formatting, here we open a file. Now the steps to print a document in MS Word are very similar to the steps you learned in MS Paint. Before printing, you can see how the document will look on paper. To see the preview, just click on as from the quick access toolbar. From the quick access tool. So before printing, you can see how the document will appear on paper. To see the preview, just click on the quick access toolbar. To make the change in setup of the page before printing, the page setup group in the page layout. Page layout tab is here. You can see file there, print layout. You can see there how does it look from the page layout. You can view page layout how it looks when you print. So you can change the page margin and order using the tools in the page setup group. From the page setup group, next we come to printing a document. The steps to print a document in MS Word are very similar to the steps you learned in MS Paint. Before printing, you can see how the document will look on paper. To see the preview, just click on the quick access toolbar. To make changes in setup of the page before printing it, the page setup group in the page layout tab. Click on the page layout group here. In the page tab is used. You can change the page margin and orientation. Can change the page orientation using the tools in the page here. Now if you want to change the margin here, and again you can change the orientation also, landscape or portrait page. You can change on portrait or landscape. So this way. So the page setup can also be changed through the page setup dialog box as discussed. Click on the page setup launcher. Click on the page setup launcher. Click on the page setup launcher. The page setup dialog box opens. The page setup dialog box opens. Here you can change the default page margin. You can change margins. and set the orientation also. You can set the orientation or either the portrait landscape and click on the OK button. You click on the OK here. Yeah. To print your work, follow these steps. Now one click on the print option in the file tab. You go to the file tab and print on the print option. Now make sure that the printer is connected to your computer. Click on the print all pages. You click on print all pages here. Click on print all pages option or enter the page numbers to be printed in the page box here. Number pages you want to print here in the page box here. Number page you want to print. Select the number of copies per page and you need to print. Click on print to send the document to the printer, which starts printing it immediately. You can directly print a page by clicking on the quick print icon in the quick access tool. Quick print icon on the quick access toolbar if you have added the icon to the toolbar. This way you can print a document. With that we come to the end of chapter 4, formatting documents.